Within the park and out upon the field, crazy man Michael was walking. He met with a raven with eyes black as coal, and shortly they were a-talking. Your future, I will tell unto you. Your future, you often have asked me. Your true love will die by your own right hand, and crazy man Michael shall cursed be. Michael he ranted and Michael he raved, and he shook out the four winds with his fist so. Well, he laughed and he cried, he shouted and he swore, for his madman had trapped him with a kiss so. You speak with an evil, you speak with a hate, you speak for the devil that haunts me. For is she not the fairest in all of the broad lands? Yes, sorcerous words are to haunt me. He took out a stag of fire-ground in steel, and he struck down the raven through the heart too. Well, the bird fluttered long in the sky it did spin, and the earth it did waver and start too. Oh, where is the raven that I cut down that here should lie on the ground? Oh, I see but my true lovely one so red, her lover's heart did pound. Oh, crazy man Michael's he wanders at the copse, and he talks to the night and the day. Oh, well, his eyes they are sane and his speech is clean, and he longs to be far away. Oh, Michael he whistles the simplest of tunes, and he asks the wild winds for the pardon. His true love has flown into every flower grown, and he must be the keeper of the garden.